Today I want to quickly go over what the receiver, trigger group, and breech block look like after having been soaked and scrubbed with kerosene and cleaned and dried off. So this is what they look like. Still kind of crusty, but nowhere near as nasty and dirty as they were when they came out. What I'm going to do next is clean this crud out of them with steel wool and the mixture of mineral spirits, transmission fluid, and kerosene that is like an Ed's Red type cleaner, only without acetone in it. So these rusty spots, the patches where it's dirty and nasty, I'm going to try and clean that up even more. I'm very happy with how much of the junk and gunk came off. Now I want to get rid of some of this long-term rust and just discoloring and stuff in there that's not good. Inside the receiver, I've actually taken a miniature screwdriver and scraped a lot of chunky stuff off of it that was really embedded in there. So there's still a little more cleaning to do, a little more oiling and cleaning, a little scrubbing. Like I said, I'm going to take some steel wool, probably 2-0 or 3-0, like a medium grit steel wool, and rub this out by hand. And I may or may not change to the fine 4-0 steel wool. I don't think that I'll need to, but if it looks like it's got scratches on it from me rubbing it out, then that's what I will do. But I think it'll be okay to polish this grungy metal with like a 2-0 or 3-0 steel wool that's sort of a fine grade but not ultra fine. And that's where we're at with those parts. Another thing I want you guys to see is this butt plate. Only thing I've done to it is wipe it down with mineral oil. I wiped it down with mineral oil. I rubbed it a couple times, let it kind of sit in here with these other little parts, and you can see there's still some grayish looking gunk in there. Well, that's like the rubber oxidation that used to be a bright white color. So that white oxidation, after sitting with mineral oil on the plastic, rubber, whatever this is made out of, it is starting to take away that oxidation and make it look black again, which is exactly what I hoped would happen. I wasn't sure of it because it was so thick and so heavy with the white. I wasn't sure. I knew it would clean it up a little bit or make it look nice, but I didn't know that it would do it this well. I haven't even scrubbed this with a toothbrush yet. So after this sits for a little longer, I will scrub all these little nooks and crannies with a toothbrush and see if that gets more of the junk out of there. But I'm really happy with the way the butt plate looks. I mean, if this is how it looked when I put it back on, I'd be happy, and I know it's going to get cleaner. So that's what's going on with these. I still have little tiny parts I've got to clean and oil. I've still got to do the barrel. I've still got to do the magazine tube. But like I said in the first video, it's probably going to take a couple of weeks for this whole thing. I've done several coats on the side of this, and I need to do I'd say at least 6 or 7 more coats, maybe more, and then I got to start on the other side, which I haven't done any on this side. So that's going to take quite a while because I pretty much do 1 coat a day. You know, I might do a light coat, come back a couple hours later, rub it again with another light coat. But that's my progress for right now. I'm probably going to film rubbing these parts and scrubbing this, and then make that into its own video. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.